Hello, beautiful people from here, from there, and from everywhere. This is LezAma. Hola, ¿qué tal, gente bonita? De aquí, de allá y de acullá. Aquí, LezAma. Welcome to my place, and I hope that you like what are you going to see, because we are going to work on another project which has to develop from all the leftovers that I have. This is what I call my theater. I'm using the negative and the positive of the elements. I hope that you enjoy and you stay with me, and welcome. And also I want to say thank you very much to the ones you are already subscribed. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. And well, if you happen to be here the first time, I just hope that you like what you see, and maybe come back, and eventually, or maybe sometime, somewhere, you will decide this channel. I am doing my best to upload 100 videos, which I doing working from April the 5th to July the 13th, and so far so good, and I hope I keep going because the camera keeps rolling. This is my little box where I keep all these pieces, which actually I have them and organize them and according to the shape. But at this moment I had to take some of them. So, like, for example, here are the circles, as you can see, and then the next one, and then the next one will be all these littles, and then the following. Let me see if I have I supposed to have, okay, then here will be like that one, then will be this one, this shape, and then the following will be the little hearts, and then this one, the little can, or it's can for jellies, for preserves. And then what else I have, because I don't know how many punchers. I think I have about 5 or 6. And then this one. This is my little box of treasures of those shapes. Let me see, because I need to put them, kind of organize them. So there. And whoop, this is going not good, because then I'm not gonna know what is it. Okay, there, more or less there. And then here, organize them. But these ones are the ones I had chosen, then I'm going to work maybe. But anyway, right now we just pick up 3 of them, and this is what I've been working. Let me show you the ones are finished. Hope you can see them and hope you know what I mean. They're very minimalist, very minimum elements. So it's just the background, which also leftover pieces, and this from the puncher, and one unique element, which from my leftovers of the tray that I already show you. Let's go and see if we can do something about it. What do we need? Well, we just need 2 pieces. They are this one, which we already use the puncher, and have the negative piece, and then we need some tool and a little piece, and that's it. And of course we do need our sewing machine. Or if you don't need to sew, or you don't want to sew, or you don't have a sewing machine, well, it's okay to do it by just gluing them. Maybe we should arrange these ones first. Maybe that one goes there. Maybe, let me see, what is the other one? I supposed to have one in, oh yeah, it's here. Maybe this one should be here with this one here, or maybe this one here, and maybe this one there, and this one here with that. Okay, so more or less we have an idea what's going on. But now we need to cut our pieces. I had already one here, which we are going, but you know what? I almost forgot. We have to, well, we don't have to. It's not necessarily. There's no really rules that say that we must do it. We can or we cannot if we want it or not. But anyway, I'm going to distress the edges and give it this little look of the kind of all in vintagey, and besides, because it's the white, I mean, it looks okay, but it seems like I tend to do the edges. Why? Do not ask me. So that one, we should do this one too, sorry. And let's go and do this one too, as we can. Okay, and let me see the next one, which is this one. Okay. So let's finish and do it. As I mentioned to you, I like to call them theater. I always call this little openings of the punchers, the leftovers, because I just feel like it. I am in the theater, and of course I put a lot more elements. It's like it's a lot more people acting on the stage, and they are doing their perform, and they are showing us what's going on in there, or what could go around, and in the emotions that they transmit by performing, by doing their acts. And we as spectators, we do feel emotions from it. So say that one will be something like this. Let me tell you that it is a little bit kind of tricky with this thing, because it kind of tends sometimes to move. That thing or the tool is a little bit tricky. So in order for me not to be so tricky, I kind of like to put a little teeny bit of glue in one of the corners, so maybe it won't, well, it does not move much. So let's see, put there a little bit, and there. And then I put a little bit of this one, just a little bit. I lost my, yes, it's here. So that one there, and this one here. Okay, so by doing that, okay, so I'm gonna go to the sewing machine, at least with this one, and then we'll see what happened with the rest of the pieces. So you might see it, you might, I don't know if I am able to move my camera, but we'll see what's gonna happen. Another thing that I might do sometimes, in case if the glue doesn't work, I like to put a little bit of attach a little piece of scotch tape here, or any tape that I have, maybe washi tape or whatever I have on hand, and put a little in one of the corners or one on the sides. around the edge, very near that edge of all sizes of the hat or the puncher shape. My machine unfortunately is broke. For some reason I broke the sides of the stitch, so the only thing I have is one side now, and I cannot change that. Lucky me, then I left it in one of the largest stitches, so I don't have much. It's no need for me to really make a huge changing on the size of the stitch, but still it's kind of trouble. Sometimes I wish I could have a bigger choice to make it bigger or smaller. Okay, so I have to move a little bit here, the flower, because otherwise I will stitch it, and the point is not to stitch it to the tool, otherwise it won't be able to move. Although it doesn't move much really, because not much space. But anyway, the point is that I'm trying to, give it a different look, and it's a kind of organic, some sort of organic, some shabby look, or some sort of a very crunchy, not too. So anyway, let me show you now, and let's go and move. Okay, so now we are back to what I was showing to you from the pieces that I have worked on them before. I would like to show them just one more time, very quickly, so you can see here the stitching. And as I mentioned to you, it's just one element, not too many things. And this one is a little heart, and this one is the shape of a flower, and it says something like my heart to sing. So I tend to look what is written, in case if it's written, and from there make the decision which size I will put facing to the front. In this case, that one and this one. Okay, and the ones I just finished it, or we finished, and you saw me doing them, is this one. As I mentioned, they are no glue. They are supposed to, kind of move, but it's not much really room to move. Actually, they are kind of steady there. Only the small little teeny pieces, they do move. But anyway, this one and this one. Like for example, this one moves a little bit. What is it? What is my little teeny mini weeny? Oh, this one. Kind of, if I shake it, kind of moves a little bit. Now it doesn't want to move, you know. That's it. That's what happens when you wanted them to move, they don't move, and when you don't want them to move, they do move. Anyway, yes, it's going to stay there. So anyway, that's the thing. And yeah, that's it. I hope you like what you see here or what you have seen here, and I hope that you enjoyed this, and maybe you would like to try do some works. You can later alter them, you know, adding something, changing. Just hey, the sky is the limit, and the possibilities are completely infinite, or infinite. Oh, sorry, my pronunciation. I think that's it. Till next time, y les ama.